children, all of you, good afternoon. A very good afternoon, children. I hope you all are good. Yes? Very good afternoon, Nana. So in previous class, we learned how we make houses and I given hardware also. Okay? Today I will explain a GK book. So all of you take out your GK book. GK. And in the GK, 8th lesson. We already completed 7 lessons. Yes? Unfurl the flags, sing and dance. Okay? Now today 8th lesson. The great personalities. The great personalities means they are the here given the some national leaders means our national heroes. Yes, identify these great personalities of India. So here given the answers also: Mother Teresa, Pandit Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Indira Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So here given the some clues. Clues means our leaders' names. So first one is the father of our nation. The father of our nation. What is the answer? Who is our father of nation? Yes, very good. Gandhiji is our father of nation. So you write Gandhiji. Gandhiji. Gandhiji is our father of nation. He is the father of nation. So he is a freedom fighter. So yesterday we celebrated Republic Day. Yesterday, why we celebrated Republic Day and Independence Day? Republic Day is yes, we get freedom from Britishers. We get freedom from Britishers. So they only given the freedom. No, some leaders are fight with Britishers. They fight with Britishers. So here also given their names. Okay. Second one is the first president of India. The first president of India. Yes, who is the first president of India? Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So he is the first president of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad is first president of India. First president means he is the first person, president person. And third one, the Iron Man of India. The Iron Man of So we call one person Iron Man, Ukku Manishi. So whose name we call Iron Man of India? So here also given some pictures. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is the Iron Man of India. Next, fourth one. The first Prime Minister of India. The first Prime Minister of yeah, very good. First Prime Minister of India. Who is the first Prime Minister? Yes, Pandit Nehru. Prime Minister. Now, present Prime Minister is who? Who is the present Prime Minister? Who is present Prime Minister? PM. Who is the present Prime Minister? Present Prime Minister, I am asking. Yes. Narendra Modi. He is the present Prime Minister. Yes. But first Prime Minister is Pandit Nehru. Very good. Maheshwara Bharat. Next, the father of our constitution. The father of our constitution. So, before our freedom, we don't have any constitution, means rules and regulations. We don't know. Just the Britishers only, they follow the rules. But we don't know. We don't know anything. So after freedom, means after independence, we have some rules and regulations. So that is the constitution. Yes. Nowadays, now see, we follow some rules and regulations in courts and police, everyone. Yes, that constitution, who wrote?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is the father of our constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. See children, in our television also, now one show is telecast, one serial. So about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar at evening time. Yes, you see that one children. This is very useful to you. Because how we face the problems to our another people. No, he is one caste. So that all the people are separate the B.R. Ambedkar family. So the total that family separate the people, another people. So you see that how he faced the problems. After that, he became a constitution, a father of our constitution. Okay? In evening time, I think 4:30 or 5, 4:30 or 4.
5:30.
Yes. So all of you see now. Yes? Next one. That is the story of B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So it is very useful. Don't see another serials. Next, sixth one. So what is the sixth one? The founder of Indian National Army. The founder of Indian National Army. So we know very well now army. Yes, they are the soldiers. So who? The founder of Indian National Army. Who is that?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Indian.
He is the Indian National Army founder. He is the founder of our national. Okay. Next is founder means what? He started national army. We know very well in our school also one founder is there. Yes, we know our founders are. Same like that our national army also first who started? Subhash Chandra Bose. He is the founder of army. Okay, how we have our school founder? So same like that army also have one founder. From there to now also it continue. Yes, now also army is there or stopped?
Army is there.
Yes. Next, seventh one. The first woman prime minister.
India.
The first woman.
Prime Minister.
The first woman prime minister of India. Prime minister of So here the first prime minister of India. Here what given first prime minister of India? Who is he? Pandit Nehru. But here what mentioned? The first woman prime minister. Yes? Who is she? Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi. Shut up. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi is first prime minister of India. Woman first prime minister. She is the woman prime minister. Next, eighth one. Saint of the Buddhas. Who is she? You know very well. Yes. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. So here we use two S's also. Okay? Mother Teresa. All of you write down, Anna, neatly. Constitution means what? Rajyangam. Rajyangam means the constitution means that only. So who wrote that constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and we follow the rules and regulations. So see children, some of the people they did the crime. So where do we go? That police can come to the home and arrest them. So after that they go to court. So that court also giving the some what punishments. Yes, how they give the punishments? They have the one constitution. So they follow that constitution and give the punishments. Punishment to the people. Yes, the lawyers and judge and police, every person follow the rules and regulations. Means they follow the constitution. So in the constitution only they give the some. So he killed the one person. So you give this type of punishment. So one person is thefting, do that theft. So you give another punishment. So give the type of punishments and how we follow. Suppose we are going to the road. So you go from here and come from there. So that one only we follow that. So the total things about total in the constitution only. Yes, on the road we follow the rules, and when we are come to the school, that time also we follow the some rules, and our school also follow the rules and regulations. Yes, so that is total constitution. We take from constitution. Okay, completed children?
Completed.
Kanishka, Varsha, Bhavana, did you finish? Shall I wrap? On your videos, Kanabena Ramcharan, Shrutik, Charan Tej, Ganta Shashank, on your video, Gangapuram Hansik, Kamampati Umesh, Pandey Praneeth, on your video, Nana. Okay? Next is these are the great personalities. Means these are the heroes of our nation. So we celebrating Independence Day, Republic Day. So we said, who is your hero? So we said Chiranjeevi, Nagarjuna, Prabhas. So they don't have they are not our heroes. Who is our heroes? Gandhiji, Nehru, Ambedkar, Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. You say national leaders names. You don't say these heroes names now. So they are not our national leaders, they are the heroes. Okay? Next, here Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. So we celebrate our Teachers' Day. So we celebrate Teachers' Day, na? So that day is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. So he is a teacher. He is a lecturer. So we celebrate Teachers' Day. On his birthday, we celebrate Teachers' Day. Okay? Next is sacred books. Next lesson, this one. Sacred books. This is the 9th one, Nana. Okay? And here also what given? Match the religion with its sacred book. So means here Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Buddha. Yes, we have different types, different religions. So every religion have one type of book. Suppose Hindus have Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana. Yes, and the same Muslims also have some Bible, what Quran. Yes, and Christians Bible, Muslims Quran. Same like that, different religions have different sacred books. So here given the religion and one side given the religion and another side sacred books. First one is what? You match. Here you do the matching only. First, Hinduism. So first one, Hinduism. In the Hinduism, what are that here? On the another side given the options. A. Quran. B. Jain Avesta. C. Bible. D. Bhagavad Gita. E. Angas. F. Tripitakas. G. Guru Granth Sahib. H. Old Testament. So which is the Hinduism? Yes, Bhagavad Gita. So you match to Bhagavad Gita. Yes, Hinduism, the book is Bhagavad Gita. Next, second one. Bible. Christianity. So the Christian people they used, what is that? Yes, Bible. They use Bible. Means they read the Bible. So Hindus are read the Bhagavad Gita. Third one. Sikhims. Means Sikhs. Yes. What is they do? No. Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth. Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. Fourth one. Islam. Islam people. Quran. Quran. Okay. Next, fifth one. Islam means who? Muslims. So they what they read? Quran. Next, Buddhism. Fifth one, Buddhism.
Old Testament.
Cut your tongue. Buddhism. Tripitakas. Tripitakas. Next, sixth one. Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism means what they Jain Avesta. Jain Avesta. Option B. Next to Judaism. Old Testament. Old Testament. Lost. Option H. Eighth one. Jainism. Jainism. Angus. Option B. Option C. Option G. A. F. B. H. E. Okay? So these are the religions and their books. Yes? Did you finish? Rakolu Bharat. What are you doing, Bharat? R. Bharat. Shruti, completed? Harshita, Nehmatullah, Rumeza, Shinde Shashri. Yes? So, you read this one, Nana. Today's homework is read GK book, 8th and 9th lessons. These two lessons, right? The great personalities and sacred books. Okay? And if you have any doubt from worksheet, about your worksheet, so all of you read your textbook, Nara. This is very, very important because this time total from book only, means in your syllabus only. First, second and third, these three lessons, from these three lessons to prepare the worksheet. Yes? First lesson, second lesson and third lesson. These three lessons too, we give the worksheet. So all of you read three lessons, these three lessons, first lesson, second lesson and third lesson, and write your worksheet. Okay? So if you have any doubt, first you read your textbook. After that only, you call me. If you have any doubt, call me. Okay? Rapolu Bharat, what is your doubt? Unmute yourself. Worksheet. Rapolu Bharat, unmute yourself. What is your doubt?
Lesson answers. Teacher. Seventh lesson answer, teacher. GK book.
Okay. GK book?
Yes.
Okay, I will send. No. I will send.
Seventh and fourth.
7th and 4th. What? Why did not listen the class?
Going to teacher.
Okay, I will send. I will send to you. Okay. Okay, children. Complete your worksheet up to day 8. Okay, already we given the schedule also. So you follow the schedule and complete your worksheet. And those who did not collect your worksheet, that children come to school and pay your fees. Collect your worksheet, Nana. Already it is very late. Already 4 or 5 days are completed. So collect your worksheets as soon as possible. Today and tomorrow only. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.